We are where?
At the aquarium in St. Louis.
We are. They have an aquarium actually at their Union Station, so it's really cool. So we figured we'd stop by here and check everything out. We got some really cool footage already, and we're super excited. So let's get into it.
Woohoo!
There she is, the mighty Mississippi River. Let's take a closer look.
Look at the ceiling.
Wahoo! Wakeboarding train style. I see bass, catfish, walleye, bluegill, drumfish. What a thrill seeing them up close in the wild.
We're at the aquarium.
Now, look who's in the tank. Hold on, everyone. We're about to try something I haven't had a chance to test. Oop.
Big fish.
You know, you look like a lady golf.
They're huge. We just got done with the doctor fish and they nibbled on our hands. What do you think?
That was so weird.
What did you think of it? The doctor fish? What about you?
Never again.
What about you? Did you like the doctor fish?
It was pretty.
I think we might end up getting us a little aquarium of doctor fish because I think those are really neat. We want some. We'll put our toes in them. We found otters. It's utterly fun. We love otters. The otter is one of Auntie's favorites. He disappeared again. Oh, he's back from outer space. He's just having fun all over of this space. They're so excited by it. The girls are so happy. They have piranhas over there. We were looking at the piranhas and we came over here because the otters dropped. Dogs. My pod just expired. So I'm getting ready to change it while I'm here at the aquarium. So pod change at the aquarium. Here we go.
Hi, look, he's trying to say hi. They all really love me. You love You're my friend.
Hey, Bree.
Yeah?
What's up? Did it eat you? Here's Dog having a good time at the St. Louis Zoo.
This is the aquarium.
Oh yeah, this is the aquarium. We're at the aquarium. We did the zoo yesterday.
Yeah, we did.
She has sea worms. I like that little purple and orange fish. If you know what that is, let me know because this doesn't tell you.
Eels, they're eels.
It's a seal. It's a sea eel. Horses too.
Yes,
Horses. And those fish. This is really cool. This is super cool. Like a whole underwater hallway effect. So neat. Some big sharkies.
I want to ask for something, but I don't think you know.
A shark?
Yep.
My aunt had a pet shark. And she learned how to pet shark a little bit.
Oh my god! They're gonna go in with sharks. Oh my gosh, Birch! They're going in with sharks.
That must be great.
They must be fine. There's another one.
Let's go see if we can find them.
I guess there should be another place down here. Sharks just came.
Why are they all coming?
Because they're hungry for human flesh.
They are not. That is rude.
Strike.
they're gonna clean something.
They're gonna swim over.
Maybe they're cleaning the glass.
Yeah, maybe gonna clean.
Look, that thing he's holding looks like one of those guns out of the Despicable Me that the Minions have.
Alright, guys.
Yeah.
But that's kind of cool because
Fun. There you go, guys. So this is cool. This is the other part of that. You can watch them go over us. There's a turtle. There's a tail of a shark. There's all sorts of cool stuff. What did you say, Vanna?
This is my favorite part.
Why?
Because I love sharks.
And look, they just like sit up here at the top too. It's like a whole area that you can just see them swimming above you.
This is like what people caught. Right here. When people caught that shark play, right here, right above
Yeah,
us.
and you can see them.
Above us.
I know.
We found some really pretty sea plants. See, look at them, aren't they pretty? We lied. Those are seahorses, sea dragon horses. Look, they're so pretty.
Yeah, we totally thought they were little floating plants.
They're not plants, they're animals. Well, go.
It turns out the difference between sea dragons and seahorses are that the sea dragons, their tails can't hold on to anything.
Cool. So they're not prehensile.
Nope.
Ta-da! This is always one of our favorites in Kansas City, the color changing jelly. We love the color changing jelly tanks. If you watch them, they slowly change the lights, which causes the jelly colors to change.
Not take a peek. Not to be sea lion's mane.
No, the anemone's on the ground.
Okay, so we found this little educational place and these little cute fish to color. So you do this part and you color them, and then you scan them on the scanner, and then it comes up here and it has everybody's fish plate. So I'm gonna have the kids go scan theirs, and then we'll see what it looks like. That's most artistic. Okay. So Savannah just put her fish in there, and it took a picture, and then you should see it like pop up in the tube. See it go through the tube? Boop, boop, boop. There's her going through the tube. And it should shoot out here. There it is. That's her fish. That's the one she colored. There's Savannah's fishy.
Oh, that's really cool.
Auntie's going to try hers. There's a quick picture. There it goes.
Putting your finger on.
Blurb, blurb, blurb. There's Auntie. There it is.
Ew, it looks ugly over there.
That's Auntie. It looks brown, but it's really purple.
You're
Here's
putting
Bree.
it back too far.
That's Bree. There it goes. There it is again.
Everybody's fish looks brown.
There's Brianna's strappity fish.
There it is. Put your fish in.
There's Jen.
There you go. You can get your picture.
Blurb. Boogie. So I can take video. Let's see, blur blur. There it is.
It's really cool.
And it's coming out. There's one zebrafish. With blue for diabetes, zebra for the EDS, and I got purple for fibro in there too. We found a giant Build-A-Bear. St. Louis has a ginormous Build-A-Bear. Oh my gosh. Look how giant. It's giant. If you can't find what you want for your Build-A-Bear here, you just need to go home. Ain't that right? So we finished the aquarium and we finished our little like fishy thing, and we walked through Build-A-Bear like you guys saw, and now we're back here to the train station. There's all the girls having a snack attack, and we're just waiting for the train for it to be time for us to go ahead and go. And when we do, we'll check back in. We did have an asshole messing around with the dogs, but other than that, it's been cleared sailing. Everybody is understood and left them alone. So overall, St. Louis has been, the businesses are very accommodating and such, the hotels were not. And overall, most of the people are great about it. So there you go. These dogs are wore out between yesterday, the zoo, the art museum, the aquarium, and everything. They're just done. I'm so tired.
Form A, this train will depart at a scheduled time of 4 o'clock. This is a first entrance boarding announcement for
I just stepped on that dog.
Missouri River Runner Train 313. Down the entrance side of the building, up the escalator platform. I like their shoes.
Thank you.
Masks are required for the duration of your travel. Masks
Is there an elevator?
of your travel.
We made it on the train.
Finally.
We're so excited. It's an actual, for real train, not a bus train.
We had a lot of fun.
We did.
Definitely ready to go.
We are. We're totally ready to go home. We had a ton of fun here in St. Louis. So much so that there was a few things that we wanted to do, but because we didn't know the area and how things
Things are
were
really far apart.
further apart than what we had assumed, it's not really within walking distance thing to thing usually. So there's a couple more things we want to do. We're going to plan another stop here at a later date. So we're really excited to come back and find some more fun stuff to do. Doggo's sleeping on the train. Eddie's here asleep with me. And Elizabeth is over there asleep with Darren.
Cool. I've always wanted to go to the Mississippi River. Ta-da! We're at the last part. Ta-da! Look how cool it is. I want to go out there, but I don't think we're allowed, and I think we'll get in trouble, so I don't. Sorry, headphone users, blue press alarm. Coolio!
Alright, here we go into the potty. Hello. Here is the soap and the water. The water is actually done by a little toggle thing, and it makes a huge mess. See? You put it and then a hand dryer, like normal. Trash can. And then your outlet. Toilet covers. Handrails in case you fall over. Not necessarily just for the handicap. There's the lock. And your potty and the toilet paper. Now, this potty has no water. It just sucks it down with the air. So that, and that's my service dog. Eddie, leave it. That is your train potty, for anybody who was wondering. There you go. And then here is the regular one. All the same stuff, but as you can see, markedly smaller. Ta-da! There you go. And there's your button for your flush. You just push the button. We just got done with the stop in Sedalia, and so we got about 2 hours till Kansas City. We're super excited, but super tired and ready to be at home in our own beds and doing our own thing. So although we had a blast, we were ready to be home. I'm sure you guys know what that's like. We are almost back to Kansas City Station. We're so excited. So it's pretty late, and our neighbor Desiree should be there at Union Station to help us get home. So we're really excited. We're almost home. Yay. It smells like Kansas City. This is a really neat ship that they've added in, a little model ship. I'm sure my dad or my cousin or my uncle or somebody would be able to tell me exactly what type it is. I'm sure. Ah, it's a USS Kansas City. There we go. That's so cool.
There's even tiny little people.
That's so awesome. Look at the flight deck.
It's
That's
supposed to
really
take
neat.
hours and days and weeks to make this.
Probably.
All the detail.
That's so cool.
You guys go ahead.
We are home. Finally got home. Desiree picked us up from the Union Station. It was beautiful. I am so happy. I can't wait to go to bed. I'm so excited to go lay down in my bed. We're gonna go ahead and cook up a few breakfast sandwiches real quick. Get everybody fed a little bit of something because it's like 11 some odd at night. And then we will reassess things in the morning. I'll have girls tell you all their favorite parts and everything. So we're just so grateful to be home. We're so thankful. Thank you so much for joining us.